Kwaza Mkhonto wesizwe Kwaza sise Davidton namhlanje imbewu ekuyibhola lethu eDavidton, the most powerful and biggest tournament ese Davidton.
Oscar Mkhalipi ngithanda ukubulisa ifounder yembewu enhle le initiative sicale ngoba sikhulele ebholeni and besifuna ukufighta icrime against this initiative ngoba siyazi ukuthi manje nabo abantwana baqoqene la egroundini bayathola iskill, they learn from the best ngoba kunabantu abadlala ku professional abadlalile la abosikhwama, so sifuna nje le tournament ikhule ngiyabo.
Yeah, sinalanga ndi Raymond Mapiri ndi mwe wa executive members za mbewu enhle uri risuka one rava writer imbewu enhle ni mafhungo uri re expose a raw talent, so ndichifana ndichiliwana bathu bothe bodaona musi the coming numbers to come and support this tournament. Yes, the main vision to this tournament is exposing the raw talent ka bathu bothe bana ba Davidton. Rasivuri Davidton ndi ingwe ya dzikasi ina bana talent, but her talent we need to polish it ishine ikonovela phanda uya na uya.
But sport does one thing important, ihlanganisa wonke umuntu, akunazimpi kunokuthula. This is what we need. The current government needs to emphasize ukuthi abantu mababuyiselwe ku sport ngamandla, kulethwa ama program for sport, kufundwe labantwana abancane. That's why we have inyawo nama drugs, because children are bored. Sport facilities ziyavalwa kufakwa imikhukhu instead of ukuvula indawo right for abantu. So we need this initiative.
Lokhu kuyasifundisa futhi ukuthi singama member omkhonto wesizwe. I think we are as a party that is fighting for the total liberation of the poor masses of this country. I think it teaches us, each and every member yomkhonto wesizwe, uma ingathatha uma singathatha this thing eyenziwa uCommander Oscar nathi siyenze all over the country. Sports sistathe sisibeke phambili to develop abantwana bethu and take them out of the street. Lena iyakhuthaza, iyabonisa ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe iphathi ezimisele ukuthi ikhulula abantu in all spheres.
Thina imbewu enhle yanceda kakhulu futhi December la njengoba thina siyabantu basemalokishini abafana la most yabo ama drugs into ezikhona utshwala, but mabala emagroundini bakhona ukucontaineka ngoba khona nabantwana nabantu abadala bagcine babehave ngezinye indlela ezingconywana ukubonisa abantwana, but I safety bhaya kakhulu la emagroundini ukudlula maselokishini.
I like this tournament. I believe it's a long ago tournament in Davidton. So many hosters were hosting it for almost many years, more than 10 years. I think it's 14 or 15 years now. Imbewu enhle is hosting this tournament, of which I like the spirit, how the people of Davidton respond, how the crime reduces during this area in Davidton, because Davidton is one place where crime is high. But during these festives, we can see with these tournaments, people, they've got something that will unite them. And we believe this unity must be used responsibly. We must not just undermine this kind of unity. We must work around it, develop it, make sure that we support it in all angles, so that we make sure that our people, they own up to such things.
The competitions that are of this nature help us a lot in terms of developing young kids, taking them off the street, making sure that they are off the social ills that are normally there. You know, if kids are playing football, it's their happiest place. So to avoid them going into things that are unnecessary, that are of ill intent, it's always best that these competitions take place, especially during the festive season, which we know is a busy season, and people are doing all sorts of things that are not good for society. So it takes the kids off the street and it's good for the community.
Into engayisho mina ngale tournament esizoyidlala ama imbewu enhle iyasiphuphuzela ukuthi sikhona ukudlala sithola ama team enye into engaba khona futhi ama sponsori neGouts uzosekhona ukufinyelela la sifuna ukufinyelela khona ngiyajabulela into eyenzeka namhlanje la eMabuya kuba ngathi ngachubekela namanye ama province ngithanda ukubonga.
I encourage ama comrades ukuthi asingasabheka ama detachment, asingasabheka ama top leadership, but assist ama detachment, lead, assist ama top officials by creating programs, ukutshala imifino, ukutshala ukudla, having ama gardens, ukugada ama communities wethu siphumele ngapha ngaphandle sizigadele kubalekile. Let's do something. Ask yourself ukuthi wena njengoba ufuna ukwenziswa wenzani, njengoba uthi bayahluleka wena wenzani.